Well, good morning from Utah. We left early this morning, and boy, did we have an adventure to get to the trailhead that we're going to be doing a hike to Sal Mountain, or is Sal
Pass.
Sal Pass. We're going to take a hike up to the top of this mountain, or at least we're going to attempt to. I'm sure Adam will get to the top. Me and Susie are going to take our time. We are at currently 10,140 feet in elevation. I think the summit is 13,000. So yeah, should be an interesting, fun day. All right, so we are getting ready to start the trail. Adam is going to go his own pace, and me and Susie are going to do ours. So yeah, here we go.
Here we are. We're going up the Burl Friends. So this is a half a mile to this point, and then the Tuck Trail takes off and climbs up Mount Takuna Kavats.
However you say that word.
Ain't that pretty?
Are we ready?
I hope so. I think so.
Here we go.
All right, we are starting out on the Tuck Trail to the top by Sal Pass, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous about it. This is the highest altitude I have ever hiked at. We're starting out at 10,140 feet, and the summit of Tuck is 12,400. So we will see how we do. It's an out and back. If we find it too much, we can always bail out, but I really don't want to.
I think that is where the trail goes. I'm not sure if it goes there or up there. Either way. It is already beautiful. Starting out with all the wildflowers, purple and yellow. Oh, it's just gorgeous out here.
Walking alongside some of the aspens that we drove up beside. Look at the size of some of these. Crazy.
Running by myself for now. Susie and Christy are back behind me somewhere. They haven't even come out of the tree line yet. But I'll keep y'all posted as I get closer to the top and go from there. I'll show you the other peaks that I'm looking at across the pass from LaSalle. All right, that's looking across LaSalle Pass over to the other area. Medicine Lake is down in the valley right there, and then that's looking back towards Colorado and where we came from. Yesterday we were somewhere out in those mountain peaks in Ouray. Let me zoom in here a minute. Somewhere out there is Ouray, Colorado, and then mountain peaks and Silverton. So we've come a long way since then.
Sure did change quick.
Yeah. All right, so we're doing pretty good. We've already almost went a mile in like 32 minutes, so not bad considering that we're starting the ascent, but it looks like it's going to start to get steeper. Well, we're at 1 mile, 38 minutes. Not bad.
We just broke back out of the little wooded path, and now we're back out in the open, and you can kind of see the path zigzagging, and then it's going to cut back and climb that mountain.
All right, so 1 hour, 1.48.
1.5.
Well, yeah, roughly a mile and a half. Not too shabby. All right, so I found me a nice seat. We're gonna take a 5-minute break.
All right. Well, I've made it to the saddle. There's the peak. Daggone, it still looks like a long way off. But I'm only a couple hundred feet off. But look at the view behind me. Holy mackerel. That, I do believe, is Canyonlands National Park. That's a little ways off. I'll turn the camera around and get a better zoom in on it, but I'm satisfied with getting to here. Even if I don't make it to the top, this is awesome. Here we go, zooming in. Check it out.
All right, so we've come from down there somewhere. Check it out. We still got a bit of climb left.
So we just checked the elevation, and we are at 11,000, just over 11,000 feet. And so that's like another milestone, cheering ourselves on.
Well, from here on up is a class 1, 2 scramble up. Yeah, loose rock, not very far. I'm gonna take my time. If it gets too sketchy, obviously I'll turn around, but the goal is right there. I mean, daggone, it's right there.
We can see Adam. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up, but there he is. Well, it is picking him up. Check it out. And that's your perspective. He's way up there. Susie's got a fire in her step now.
And another switchback.
Yep. All right, he's getting closer to the top. You still see him. Right there.
Whew.
All right, so the walk out to the top. Here we go. This is a little jumbly. I'm walking on loose rocks. Lots of fun. Don't know if you're gonna hear me. The wind's blowing, so you know how it goes. But what a view. What a view. Oh, wait till I get out here to the end. Jiminy Christmas. If you want to get out of the wind, there you go. There's a little hole. That's funny. But here we are. This is the end of it. There's nothing else left but downhill on the other side. So, woo-hoo. Or as they would say, yeehaw. Holy mackerel. Yeehaw it is. That's it. There's nothing left. That bad boy's downhill to Moab. Ah. That's it. Nothing but the bottom. You hear a jet just went over top of me.
Like there's only a half mile left.
Yeah,
It's a steep half mile, but
it's a steep climb. So hopefully we can get there. We're going to give it our best shot. We want to get there.
whew, I'm not gonna lie, this is getting hard. There it is, Christy, and you can see it, Adam's running down. He's already been to the top, of course.
Here comes Adam. He's been running. We are getting close, like less than half of a mile. There he is. Hi.
Hey, I called Miguel, told him to have a table ready. I'm ready for my burritos.
Oh yeah. You made it. We could see you.
All right, so if you want to go to that point where the rocks start, knock yourself out. The rest of it I would not recommend for you two. But wow, what a run.
Did you climb all the way up to the top? I mean, we saw you.
I was at the top. I was where it goes back over the other side.
Yeah.
I got some good video up there, so I'll send it to you in a little bit.
All right. Well, we could see you. We're hollering at you.
I heard you holler. I hollered back.
Okay. Wait.
All right, about to get to the top of this rocky part and see down the other side. Holy moly, look at that. Wow, just wow.
All right, so we are going to take a little break, have us a snack, and then we're going to decide how much further we have to go. Which that top of that right there is the top. However, it is pretty straight up. So we may just go to where the grass ends. We'll see how we feel when we finish our snack. Did you like your snack?
I did like my snack. That was really good.
Protein smoothie. Yeah. I'm having a protein, what is this? Strawberry and yogurt bar, but I also had one of these protein smoothies. It was really, really good. I'm liking it. All right, so we've decided that we're just gonna leave our packs and we're just gonna head up to where the grass ends, just because we want to at least get there. And it's not that far. It's like a level right there.
Uh-huh. Yeah, this is the last little patch of grass I see.
All right, so that is the top. It's just really loose rock. And then the last little bit is literally straight up.
And by the way, here at this last clump of grass, we are at 12,100 feet. So I can say we have climbed to 12,000 feet.
Yeah.
And that's a happy day for me.
Yeah.
I think we did good.
It's pretty much downhill from here. So, yeah.
I just have to try a little bit, just a little bit.
Yay!
Yay!
I know this is a long shot, but that might be the girls right there walking this way from the top.
All right, so we're probably close to halfway back down the mountain. Just taking a little break, getting us a drink of water in the shade. But we have done so well. It has just been a wonderful hike. So exciting. Beautiful, beautiful. Anyway, and I don't know, we've just been talking, and when you look at the mountain and you look from the bottom and you look up at it, you're like, what? Like, it's just so intimidating. So all I can say is we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. And if you set your mind to do something and you really want to do it, you can do it. Just remember that.
Check it out, man. Got up there. Plenty of time to spare. Clouds are moving in.
Oh, there's some cows in the meadow now.
Well, we've got some cow friends. And I believe they're right beside the trail. Hopefully they'll move and get out of the way. Hopefully they're friendly cows. Are you friendly? There they go. There they go.
We are both feeling really positive about this whole hike. And it feels so good.
All right, we're on the home stretch. About a half a mile or less to the truck. Right now, we're at 4.5 hours, and that includes our break. So I'm just thrilled. I see the truck. Do you see it down there? I see it.
Here they come. It's in the end. There they are. They survived. Look at them coming this way.
Last little bit, almost to the truck.
There's Adam. He's waiting on us.
Well, how'd you do?
Did great. 4 hours and 40 minutes. Feeling pretty good about it.
Well.
Alright, so we have pulled off the side of the road to look at the hole in the rock. We've driven by it. We've never stopped here before, so we're gonna check it out. Well, the nice thing about having a truck camper is you can go in and change your clothes. So me and Susie just put on t-shirts and shorts because it's rather warm here where we're at.
Me? I'm still wearing my long sleeve wool shirt and my shorts hiking.
He did not change, but that's okay. Wow. That's interesting. All right, we're gonna go check out the trading post.
Creative artist that did that.
They'll keep coming. Here comes two more. There's two more. There's the third one. Fourth one.
So we're in Moab, Utah, and we are going to Miguel's Baja Grill. We ate here 7 years ago, and it was delicious. And we're hoping it's going to be just as good. We shall see.
Can't miss the plot.
Okay. I got a chicken enchilada with mole. Check out Adam's burrito. Well, our dinner was fantastic. at the Miguel's Baja Grill. We really enjoyed it. They did not disappoint. We have made it to our camp spot. It is just outside of Moab. It's just a little campground. It's like $20 a night. And it's pretty beautiful. It's got all the red cliffs around. I'll show you guys what it looks like. But I'm gonna wrap up this video here. But stay tuned. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.